Hi everyone, this is Ahmed Moj Khan and I am the group leader of this project and I'm very excited to share you guys our project. Our project is called EcoTrace Technology. It is basically watermarking for deepfake speech detection. It is an important area for because nowadays AI generated audio can now mimic human voices, which leads to challenges in verifying authenticity. Our project focuses on creating a watermarking system that can help detect deepfake speeches, ensuring that the audio content remains trustworthy and secure. Today, I'll walk you through our processes, our design choices, and key features. So, thank you for joining, everyone. Let's talk about the contents in this presentation. Uh, Here's an overview of what I'll be covering in our presentation today. First, I'll introduce you to our wonderful team and explain our overall mission for this project. Next, I will talk about our design methodology, how we approach this project from concept to real life execution of the software. After that, I'll share our visual identity and the reasons behind our color choices. Then I'll explain to you our topography and why we choose certain fonts to align with our brand. Finally, I'll dive you into our UX and US design principles, which will highlight how we prioritize users' needs and accessibility throughout the project. So let's get started. Let's meet our wonderful team today. The first one is me, Ahmed Moj Khan. Then I would like to introduce you to Muhammad Zarar Reza Khan, Mohtasid Nahar Munni, Azam Ahmed Rashid, Heath Soni, and Zhao. We are a dedicated group focused on building solutions that enhance audio authenticity and fight deepfake speech. Our mission is to protect content integrity and promote reliable information sharing, especially in this area where AI can manipulate the audio so convincingly. Each of us bring unique skills and perspective to this project, and together we are committed to making a positive impact on digital communication. Let's talk about our design methodology. Our design methodology is a crucial part for our project success. We started with through research on defect detection technologies and watermarking techniques to understand the current landscape. We then moved into an interactive design process focusing on user-centered um, it is user-centered development. This means we prioritize the needs of our users by gathering feedback at every stage and making adjustments accordingly. We also emphasized technical feasibility, ensuring that our solution could realistically be implemented and integrated within existing systems. By combining research, feedback, and technical validation, we aim to create a system that is not only effective but also user friendly and adaptable. For our visual identity, we designed our visual identity to be both modern and trustworthy. We choose a color palette that balances a technical feel with approachability. For example, we used Mercury, a light gray, gives a clean and neutral background, while Mineshaft and a dark gray adds contrast and depth. Azure blue and electric purple brings vibrancy and moral appeal, while a vibrant pink and cyan blue add a touch of energy and creativity. Jet black serves a strong base, ensuring readability and a professional look. These colors works together to support accessibility, brand consistency, and visual harmony across all our materials. And whether it's a presentation website or a mobile app or a user interface, let's move on to our typography section. When it comes to typography, we wanted fonts that reflect our brand's value of authenticity, clarity, and modernity. For headings, we have chosen Montserrat Bold. It is a clean and modern font that highly readable and conveys confidence. For body text, we use Open Sans because it's simple, it's professional, and it's easy on the eyes. This combination helps us maintain a consistent and polished look throughout our reports, our user interfaces, and our promotional materials. Uh, Consistency in topography also enhance the overall user experience, which makes sure that the information is easy to read, understand, no matter what the medium the customer uses. So let's talk about our UI and UIX design. Our UI and UX design is guided by key principles that ensures that we have a positive and seamless experience. First, we prioritize user focus, making sure that every feature is easy to understand and use. We also design for simplicity so that the user can navigate the system effortlessly without feeling overwhelmed. Accessibility is another priority. We followed WCAG standards to make sure our solution can be used by everyone, including the people who has disabilities. Our system is responsive, meaning it works very smoothly across different devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Other features like guided onboarding helps the user to get started quickly, and a real-time feedback ensures uh, that the user know exactly what's happening with their uploads and results. We also included a help center with FAQs and issues reporting to provide support whenever the user needed. In addition to those principles, we carefully designed the main interface components to be intuitive and helpful. The dashboard gives users a quick overview of the system status and their uploads so they can see everything at a glance. The media module is designed to be simple and user friendly with drag and drop functionality that supports multiple audio formats. On the result page, users can see the detection outcomes and confidence levels clearly. Finally, the settings page allows user to adjust their preference and the notification to personalize their experience. This modular design makes it easy for users to navigate and interact with our system, making the overall experience more enjoyable and effective. So it's time for a live demo. I'm gonna demonstrate how our website looks or what's the functionality is. I would like to thank all of you for your time and attention. On behalf of EcoTrace team, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our professor, Dr. John Lee, and our supervisor, Dr. Wei Zong, for the incredible support and guidance throughout this project. I would like to say that your insights and feedback has been invaluable in helping us develop a solution that we believe we can make a real difference in fighting deepfake audio. We are excited to continue building on this work and contributing to more secure and trustworthy digital communication. Thank you all once again, and thanks for joining me today.